what's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got today's look using the Balm in My Hands Volume 2 palette that I got in my Ipsy Glam box for this month. So if you like this look, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So now I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop All-Star Matte Blur Primer. I'm going to put that all over my face, and we're just going to rub that in. Yes, to make sure that our makeup stay all day, okay? So next up, we're going to color correct. I'm using the LA Girls Pro Longwear concealer in orange, and I'm going to put that everywhere that I have dark circles so I can color correct. Yep, so we're just going to use this sponge and blend that out and get it all nice and blended out all over the face. Yep, still blending, ladies. You got to blend it out. Cover all those dark spots, all that miscoloration that I want to cover up. So next up, I'm going to be using the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in F3 110. This is a matte full coverage foundation, and it's supposed to be sweat proof, humidity proof, and transfer resistant. So I'm going to be blending that out using the e.l.f. foundation brush. I find this easier to use for me, and then I'll go back over it later with the sponge to make sure there's no streaking from the brush. We're just going to blend that out all over the face and neck, ladies. I'm still blending. Alright, so now that we are finishing up the face and getting it all blended out, we're going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to use the Morphe Eyelid Primer Base in Translucent to prime my eyelids. So I'm just putting that on there. I'm going to take my sponge and make sure I have no streaks on my face, and then I'm going to blend that out. So now I'm going to be taking the In the Balm of Your Hands Volume 2 palette by the Balm, and I'm going to be taking a Farrah small tapered shading brush that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm going to be using the shade Meet Rosso, and I'm going to be using that as a transition shade. Taking Matte Reed, which is a chocolate brown, and focusing that on the outer corner in V, and then blending that into my crease. Then I am taking Alice Copper and putting that into my crease and blending that in as well. copper shade. flat shader brush from Farrah, and I'm going into the shade Firm, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. I was trying to use all the colors in this palette, which I ended up using all the eyeshadows and the highlight in this palette. It's a really pretty palette, and I'm very happy with it. Alright, so now I'm going to be concealing, and I am using the Magic Star Concealer by Jeffree Star in shade C16. I'm going to put that in all the areas that I want to highlight and conceal and just, you know, make it look pretty. Nice and airbrushed. You want to be popping. So I'm just blending that out with a sponge. Don't worry, ladies. I know it looks a little white and ashy, but it's gonna come together, honey. It's gonna come together. You just want to make sure we brighten up those areas. Then I'm going back into the palette, and I'm taking the highlight Mary Lou Manizer, and I'm putting that on my brow bone, just to give it a little pop and to finish off the eyeshadow look. So now I'm gonna set my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in Banana. And I'm just using a random powder brush. I don't even really know who this is from. But yes, I'm gonna set the face and get that all together. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to put my lashes and line my eyes off a camera, and I will be right back. So now I'm back, my eyelashes are on, and so my eyes is lined. I'm taking a flouter brush by Farrah, and I am going into that matte reed color, and I am smoking out my bottom lash line, because we want the eye look to come together, honey. So now I'm using the Wonder Beauty Mascara Mile High, and I'm putting that on my bottom lashes. Yes, love some mascara. So now I'm taking my Black Radiance contour palette in medium to light, and I'm going to be contouring my face, or bronzing my face, shall I say. Just adding the color back to it, and as you see, ladies, once you add that color back to your face, it just ties the look together. Get those temples and get it nice and bronzed. Add that color. So next, I will be adding some blush, and I will be using my BH Cosmetics Forever Nude palette, and I'll be taking my go-to blush, as you can see, and hitting my cheeks up and bringing that right into my contour. And then next, I will be highlighting in my Milani Dago Luminous and Strobe Light, because we want to be popping. On the bridge of our nose, the tip of our nose, just get it nice and blended. Yes, I'm liking it. Maybe just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to be lining my lips using the Shayla Times ColourPop Lippy Pencil and BFF number 3. I love this shade. It's really nice brown shade for my skin tone, and just, yes, it's perfect. And next, I'm going to be using the Milani a more matte lip cream, and this is in shade Adorable. I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my lips and blot, 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 ladies. When you're going for a nude lip, just at the bottom and blot, 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 blot. Yes, that's what you gotta do. Alright, so I think I am filling everything. So I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray and set my face. Yeah, so there we go. I'm filling my look. What do y'all think? Alright, so this is the look that I created using the Balm in Your Hands Volume 2 palette that I got out of my Ipsy Glam box this month. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that, okay? And also, I tried out the Milani lip, Milani in Adorable. This is the more matte lip cream, and I'm loving it and how it looks. I love this look I created. Okay, but I'm not quite done yet. I got the Suva Beauty Liquid Cream Illuminating Drops. I'm not really a fan of liquid highlighter on my face, but this is really nice to put on the body. So I am going to rub this all around my décolletage area, because you know we want to be popping today. Popping, and it's a little dropper. So what I'm going to do is, I have a mirror right here. I'm just gonna, here, little spot over there, little spot over there, just little spots everywhere, okay? And just kind of rub that in. Ooh, I got some hair right there. Ooh, get that away. Just kind of rub that in, just so you can be like kind of shiny and glistening, you know? Nothing too much, just nice and like, hey, like boop, 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 boop. Like, is you shining? That's what I like these for. So, definitely would not put this all over my face, because I wear a lot of powders and so forth. And yeah, but definitely on the body, it is nice. I could actually put a little bit more. So I will. You don't want to go too ham, but you just want to make sure, you know, we got a little glow and shine going on, and I will put her on my arms as well. Oh, just dropped the whole bottle. Luckily the top was on. Oh my god. Yes, so alright, so I'm really happy with the look that I created today. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, go on and comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, but I am liking her today. Very cute, very subtle. So that's all I have for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine.